Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson we're continuing on the topic of mud. It's page 42 of the Safar Abridged Qaida. We've got some more examples with the mummy mud and the daddy mud. So here it starts with the daddy mud. If you're new to this topic of mud, please go back and watch the previous lesson for a bit more clarification on what these muds are. So box number 1, here the mud when it joins a shadda letter, so the letter that with the mud is the ha in box number 1. The ha alif stretch has a mud, so you've got the ha, but then after it you've got a jeem. Now what happens there? It's just the same as joining. Normally you would say, if there was no mud there, you would say hajja, hajja. But here you stretch it and then you join it. So box 1 is hajja. Okay, even if the stretch is a little bit longer than the 4 to 5 seconds, that's fine. Box number 2, the kaf is going to join the fa, but it's going to have that stretch in the middle. Kafatan. Now a lot of people, what they tend to do here is not emphasize the join. They emphasize the stretch, but they don't emphasize the join. You want to do both. Stretch it and the join as well. Remember, it's a shadda there, so you have to still have that emphasis. Box 3, dabbatin. Box number 4, here the stretched letter joins a sukoon. So same principle applies. Instead of saying al, it's al ana. Box number 5, ha joining a shadda with that stretch in the middle. Hajjuka. Box 6, sawafa. Box number 7, khassatan. Box 8, bidarrihim. Box number 9, yuhajjukum. At this stage we're not doing any we're not beautifying the stretch. Often you hear in the recitation of the qurra, the experts in tajweed, when they recite, often you hear it in the azan as well, that they beautify it, they change the tone, which is very, very nice, very good to do that. But at this stage we're not doing any of that. That will come later on, inshallah, and you can do that in your own time, inshallah. We're on to box 10. Here you've got the small hamza. So if you look at box number 10, you've got a kha, a ta, a ya, and a hamza. Okay, so with that, you read it just like a normal hamza. Whatever's on top of it, whatever's underneath it, just read it like a normal, like a hamza. Okay. It is a hamza, literally. Khati'atikum. Okay, there's no joining there. The ta joins the ya, but the hamza is not joining anything. Next one. Ba'a bi sakhatin. Box number 12. Ja'ahu maw'idhatun. And then we're on to 13. Tasa'aluna bihi. All of these examples, there's 2 words in all of these examples. So previously, when on the top we've just done 1 word. These are 2 word examples. Box number 14. Fi abaihinna. Now you'll have noticed the fa stretch is the 3 second, the mummy mud, and the ba stretch on this example 14 is the daddy mud. So you've got the 3 second stretch, and then you've got in the middle the 1 second, so it's fi a, and then you've got the big stretch ba ihinna. So as you can see, things are getting a little bit more complicated. Box 15, again you've got the mummy mud, the 3 second one, and then after that you've got the daddy stretch at the second one. Wala amina, you've got the mim mushaddada gunna there as well. Here the examples get a little bit more complicated, advanced. We're looking at box 16. فَلَمَّا أَضَاءَتْ. Box 17. وَحَلَائِلُ أَبْنَائِكُمُ. So both the stretches are the same amount of time because they're both the big mud. Box 18. يَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ. You've got two. You've got the small mud and the big mud in the one example. Box 19. آباؤكم وأبناؤكم. Here you want to make sure that you're stretching both of them the same. It's tempting to stretch the first one properly and not stretch the second one enough. Box 20. بِأَسْمَاءِ هَؤُلَاءِ. Okay, so you got the daddy stretch, mummy stretch, and then you got again daddy stretch at the end. Box 21. قَالَ أَتُحَاجُّونِّي. Okay, so you've got quite a lot going on here. قَالَ atu ha, you got that stretch joining the jeem, and then the jeem has also got a stretch on it, and it's joining onto a noon mushaddada gunna. We'll do that one again. قَالَ أَتُحَاجُّونِّي. Okay, Jazakallahu khairan for tuning in. If you have any questions, queries, please leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.